It's another delicious day here in the Let's Make Food from Food Kitchen, and today we're doing a quick one. Just a banana peanut butter strawberry smoothie. Not a frozen one, but you can make it frozen simply by freezing your fruit. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the strawberries. I've already washed them. It's about a cup and a half. I've got 2 bananas that I just want to peel and put in there. You don't even have to slice it because what else is the blender for, right? So, well, I guess this is kind of broken up anyway. And you guys know how to peel a banana, don't you? Because you've watched my hilarious short on how to peel a banana from the backside, right? If you haven't, I'll put a link down below. It is kind of funny. People laughed. I laughed. That's laughing. This recipe makes 2 smoothies. If you only want one, well, cut everything in half, basically. So that was a half a cup of milk. Now you can use dairy milk, soy milk, almond milk, whatever kind of milk, coconut milk, whatever kind of milk you want to use. This is plain Greek yogurt. You could also use vanilla if you wanted to. And then I have 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I will put a link down below to my recipe on homemade peanut butter. It is delicious, life-changing, so good. Please use it. It's so yummy. Okay, that's good. Now, I'm just going to take my lid, pop it on there somehow, and done. That's it. My smoothie is finished and ready to go. So let's just pour it in there. What do you think? Oops, chunk. Okay, so there's a little banana chunk, but it's not the end of the world. There we go. I promised quick and easy. Now, you could fancy this up and garnish it with a strawberry slice, with some other fresh fruit. You could put whipped cream on it if you want to add sugar. I don't. But, cheers. It is so good. Breakfast, lunch, delicious. That peanut butter adds some extra protein. Love it. Thanks for joining me here today in the Let's Make Food from Food Kitchen for another delicious recipe. From my kitchen to yours, let's make food from food.
That's one boy.